Welcome to the market launch of the new MarSurf white light interferometer. Here with me is Mark, an expert for the optical surface measurement.
Yes, hello.
Hello. We briefly go just over the new lineup. Let's start with the, let's say, 3 key unique features you would mention for the new lineup.
So the focus for those products was definitely on the software, of course, to make that as easy as possible. We'll have the big positioning volume you already see here, and we have developed a new algorithm called ICA algorithm, and that's basically the 3 things we've been focusing on.
Okay, let's start with the first one. You mentioned the software. Some more comments in regards to the software?
For the software, we have been focusing on the ease of use, of course, for our customers, and we have a very good concept we already know for years with the confocal microscopes we have been using, and we've completely taken that software platform and user interface onto the interferometers.
Okay, so literally it's the same software?
Same piece of software.
I can shift from one to the other, from confocal to white light.
Exactly, without any change or additional learning.
Perfect. Then the second point you mentioned was the positioning volume. We have here one representative. Perhaps you can briefly explain what is meant by this.
So the positioning volume we have is about 220 millimeters in height, which is very important if you have like big work pieces or any work pieces which are fixated on fixtures from your machine. You can just put it on there and measure the lenses or the product. You'll have the manual stages here in the entry level system, which are 100 by 200 millimeters. So you have maximum flexibility and freedom which work pieces and products you want to place under.
Okay, so the size of the workpiece, you can use it with fixtures directly from the working machine. You can go there, and I think you mentioned also once there is a higher workload of the table.
Exactly, we have a workload of about 10 kilograms here. So also if the fixture has a certain weight, it's not an issue to the system.
Okay. And then your third point was the ICA technology.
Yes, ICA technology stands for Intelligent Correlation Algorithm, and this also describes what it's doing. So it's intelligently correlating the curves we get from the system, and therefore delivers a extremely precise result, really.
Okay, so what is the, let's say, benefit for the customer of that ICA technology?
Customer benefit here clearly is the maximized precision. So we have a very, very low signal to noise ratio of about 80 picometers. And that's just outstanding for that entry level systems.
Outstanding. Perhaps you have a figure what the, let's say, market standard is for a comparable product?
You would be looking to something like maybe 150 picometers. So it's about factor 2 you're looking to.
Great. So that is, as we mentioned, one representative. What is the complete lineup?
So we're launching 3 products. It's interferometers, of course, the entry level with the manual stages. There will be a interferometer with the WI50, which is called, and we'll be having the 50 millimeter motorized stages, and we'll also already allow some stitching, so you can have scanning of larger surface areas. And the biggest system will be the white light or WI100. Again, bigger stages, but also the option of a full automation, so you can have measurements of, I don't know, grids of lenses on whatever you want to look.
Okay. So Mark, thanks for the introduction of the new lineup.
Very welcome.